Hey everyone, this is John at Apache Village RV Center. I am standing in front of a 2022 Jayco North Point 380 RKGS. I've done a video on this before, but I wanted to do a second kind of deeper dive into some of the really nice features of this unit. The kitchen sells this floor plan. It's also one of the unique floor plans that offers kind of a segmented residential style feel on the interior. So let's get in on the inside of this, take a closer look at what it has to offer. All right, we're standing inside the 2022 380 RKGS North Point. Let's take a closer look at this kitchen. So, right when you come up the steps, you can see you kind of have everything consolidated into one area, which is really nice. I sort of mentioned outside that, you know, a lot of people are attracted to the segmented floor plan, so to speak. And I talk about that in the 382 North Point as well, where it has that residential feel where it's like, okay, this is the kitchen, this is the den or living area, bathroom, bedroom. You're not sitting in, you know, a hybrid living room slash kitchen area. And some people don't like that about rear living room floor plans. They don't want to feel like they're sitting in the kitchen and also the living room. So this definitely offers that benefit. Let's just start digging through some of the cabinets here and take a closer look. Now, the first thing I noticed right away, if you are shorter in stature, and you find that a lot of kitchen floor plans are very difficult to get to the cabinets. You know, you're reaching all the way up here trying to get to things. You're not gonna have that issue in this floor plan. So anybody that's shorter out there, you're gonna absolutely love this. You have all of these giant drawers for pots and pans. You could put an air fryer, a crock pot in here. Shoot, you could put a Blackstone in here if you wanted just to store it, but I'd put it in my outside storage compartment. Cutting boards, big racks, cookie sheets and stuff like that here. Tons of usable storage for the kitchen. And if you like to cook, which I do, this is really cool. Tons of space, and a lot of times these bigger, more cavernous open storage compartments in a lot of our floor plans are located way up high, somewhere where you're gonna need a step stool. Even if you're 6'3", you need a step stool to get into the back of it and be able to reach the back of the storage compartment. So close this up right here. You have your residential range with a vent vented to the outside. We also have ventilation above us right here. 1, 2, 3 windows, 4, 5 windows actually that can vent up here. 6 if you want to count this one. And then a fantastic fan as well up there. I'd probably be interested in installing a nice fantastic here instead of just having this vent. That way you can really ventilate out the kitchen. But let's go back to this range. This is a true residential style range with 4 gas burners. And it truly has enough space to actually fit 4 little pots on here and pans. You know, a lot of them it's kind of crammed together, but this Insignia range here offers a true cooking solution where it feels a lot more like a house than an RV. And if you look here, our burners in the bottom, you get a lot more even heat distribution. You could truly bake in this. You don't have that kind of mid-tier burner that's up here. It's right under your food and burning everything all the time. I get a lot of complaints about that. And if you move over to the fridge, we have this 4-door Whirlpool, massive 21 cubic foot 4-door Whirlpool with a temperature sensor from BM Pro, by the way. So if you're driving down the road, it will tell you if you start to lose temperature on your fridge or your freezer. Ice maker. That ice maker is also fed by the drinking water system. So if you look here, this is fresh drinking water operated by this pump. It also attaches in there, and then your Culligan jug, the 5-gallon jug, is located up in your front storage compartment. So you don't have to carry big cases of bottled water with you when you go camping. You're able to use this as fresh water right here. Refill your water bottle or your Yeti tumbler, if you're me, and be able to do that quickly. You also have this nice sink area with 2 nice windows, so you can see outside. All of these are frameless windows, obviously, so you turn these to crack the windows open and get tons of ventilation up here in the kitchen. Now below the sink, you're gonna have this nice sliding tray. Once again, if you have a larger item to store, you can store that right here. And then we're gonna have the trash can right next to that. Great place for a trash can. So while you're preparing food and cutting up things or whatever, you're able to wipe things straight into the trash. That is very convenient, smart idea here from Jayco. You're also going to have access to your ceiling lights, your accent lights, all your exterior lights, low accents, high accents, and your water pump right here on this Bluetooth controller. Convection microwave. So I don't know if you're familiar with how convection microwaves work, but I didn't know much about them until we got one in our kitchen. My wife and I redid our kitchen. She really wanted a stackable oven. We weren't able to really figure out a good way to do that in our kitchen layout. So we went with an under counter model. It actually installed under our countertop, but we love it. We use it all the time. It heats up very quickly. It's much quicker and easier to heat up than a full giant oven for reheating. You know, they work great. This combination mode here is kind of similar to an air fryer. It's going to activate the microwave and the convection at the same time. We use that a ton for reheating. So really neat that you kind of have a second oven here right across from the other oven. You can also use it just to keep food warm while you're prepping. 2 more giant storage compartments here. And then 2 additional giant cavernous storage compartments on this side. Then you're going to have 4 big drawers that fully extend just like the other ones straight across from here for all your kitchen utensils and such. And then last but not least, hey, where's all the counter space in here? This kitchen should have a little more counter space, shouldn't it? Go ahead and pull this out. Now we have a ton of countertop space. Really, really cool. So, stove here, oven, fridge, your sink right here, farmhouse sink, so you can also kind of wipe things into the sink if you need to. Right next to your trash can, right next to your convection microwave, tons of extra countertop space, and then a nice bar top seating area right here where you can watch TV. And if you are someone that travels with guests, down here in this den area, this is a tri-fold couch. You have your double recliners right here that are heated with nice accent lights underneath them. They are electric recliners, so at the push of a button, you can recline this out. And that is straight across from an electric fireplace that provides about 5,000 BTUs of heat, 4,777 to be exact. Your sound bar and your nice big Insignia HD TV. You also have your ceiling fan, then an additional tri-fold couch over here. So it's just a really nice, neat floor plan to be able to sort of have the kitchen separate from your den / living area. It's great for entertaining. You know, if you have, if you're a couple that's retiring and wanting to hit the road and you like to cook, this is the best floor plan going. This kitchen couldn't be set up any better than it is to be more convenient for meal prep and things like that, and for entertaining guests too. If you have any questions about this floor plan, comment below. Be happy to answer any questions you have, or give the dealership a call. You can ask for me, anybody in sales, and we'll answer any questions you have, or take more pictures, show you additional videos of this unit. But my family and I would love to earn your business, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.